Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranbury Fields Flower Farm, and I'm coming to you from behind the camera today, and I wanted to show you how we build out our floral cornucopias for Thanksgiving. So this is the finished product, and there's a ton of these we have going out the barn door today. And I want to show you how we built these guys in case you want to do something similar. So what we did was we got a cornucopia, and you guys can grab most of these items from like Michael's or AC Moore. I'll even put a link to my Amazon shop page because it has a lot of these items. And we took a cornucopia. A lot of times these things will come with a tray. If not, you can just use a little bit of Tupperware, or you can kind of line this with like a Ziploc bag as long as it comes up on the lip. And I took some Oasis floral foam for fresh flowers. They also have floral foam for dried flowers, but that's not what this is. So floral foam for fresh flowers, and I soaked it. And then we wound up just kind of trimming it away and putting the Oasis foam in the tray. This tray that I'm showing you here is green. The other one was kind of clear. And then we just kind of taped it in. You can see we kind of taped the bottom piece here, and we went right over the top of the Oasis, and we came down on the other end. And now that Oasis foam is nice and secure. And then the first floral step that we did is we kind of greened out the arrangement. So we went all the way around the arrangement and took a whole bunch of branches of like ivy and lemon leaf, and I have some magnolia trees that I love using, and we just kind of took branches and we put it right inside the floral foam. So you can tell these are just kind of trimmed. We trimmed them on an angle so it's almost like a little arrowhead going in there, and it goes right into the floral foam. And we just went around the whole arrangement like that, and we greened it out until we kind of got the shape that we wanted. And we have it coming out a little bit longer in the front here, and then I have it coming taller in the back. So it kind of tapers down. So it's taller in the back, and then it tapers down lower, 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 and the front piece actually is sitting, dripping on the table. So that's what the shape looks like. So that's called greening out. And the nice thing about greening out is you can do the greening out a few days before Thanksgiving. So you can get that shape going and save some time, like 4 or 5 days before Thanksgiving, just to keep everything in a cool spot away from sunshine. So the next thing we do is we're gonna put like our primo flowers in. So I've got 3 roses going down the front. So once again, we're putting them right into that floral foam. And it's just 1, 2, 3. And then we've got some lotus pods, and you can even put the lotus pods in ahead of time because they're like faux flowers, so they're not gonna wilt. So you've got the lotus pods on either side, and then we put in 2 sunflowers, and it's starting to take shape. The next step is we're gonna start adding all those kind of filler flowers, and there's a little bit back here that you can see already. We've got some of these beautiful daisies, and that's going to be kind of like the last step to kind of fill around and make this kind of filled in and make it beautiful and colorful. I've also got some variegated pip that we put in here, which is really pretty. So we just kind of futz around, work around until we get the shape that we like. The back's kind of broad and the front is tapered. And I'll show you what I mean in the finished arrangement. So you see how the front's kind of tapered? And the back gets wider, wider, wider. Thank you so much for joining us in this video, and please let me know where you're viewing this from in this great big beautiful world. I love to see how our flower tribe is growing around the globe each week. And come say hi to us over on our Cranbury Fields Instagram page, and I will put a link to my Patreon page below in case you're interested in becoming a Flower Tribe supporter. And with your support, it just helps us with some editing equipment and some better sound and some more help. So please check that out if you would like. And I will see you in the next video.